Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get advance from Klover. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To obtain a cash advance from Klover, first what you need to do is head over and open up your app store. Then on the search bar, simply type in Klover and then tap on the app icon like this on your screen, and once you're inside here you'll be getting a get button. Simply tap on that and follow the on-screen prompts to successfully download the app. Now once you have downloaded the app, open up the app and then tap on create account. Now here link your active checking account and debit card to your Klover profile. Klover requires at least 3 deposits from the same employer within the last 60 days to qualify for a higher advance amounts. Then after completing your profile, Klover will assess your eligibility based on your income and banking activity. Advances amount can vary. New users may start with a $100 limit, which can increase up to $200 by engaging in app activities. Then once eligible, you can request a cash advance directly through the app, and then you will get the funding options like standard delivery, which is typically free, and funds are available within 1 to 3 business days, or express delivery available for a fee but providing funds within hours. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.